Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We have a new wig for you. This wig is by Hairvivi. It is the Jacinda wig and this is what it looks like. I'm just going to show you how I put it on. Real quick and easy, and just a really quick style as well. 18 inches, 13x6 frontal. I have shown you a wig from this company before, so you've seen the packaging and everything and how it comes really nicely packaged. Just feels very luxurious. The hair itself feels very luxurious. So we're just gonna go straight into it. So this is what the wig looks like on. So I'm just gonna cut the lace and you can see the hair. I'm showing you that plucked hairline. Looks really, really good. And also the lace has been tinted, so I wouldn't really have to do too much. It has gotten significantly darker because it's like 4 p.m. and it's pitch black outside, so I hope you can still see the lighting has changed a little bit. I'll put the info down below as usual. Hairvivi, love their hair. I would definitely love it if it was a little bit fuller density wise, but in terms of the styling, like it comes, obviously you saw how it came, just nice. It just feels so luxurious. The texture of the hair just was so easy to curl as well. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one.